Because uphill cycling is Leon's idea of hell, it's the perfect way to compare ordinary push bikes with electric ones. First test, the ordinary bicycle.
Hills have always been a problem on push bikes for me. I know when I was younger that I used to enjoy stopping at sweet shops on the way up the hill.
To help measure his performance, Leon will race against professional cyclist Scott Thwaites.
I'm a heavy lump. To cycle up a hill like that is pretty tough. I surprised the guy though anyway, because he didn't think I'd get up the hill, I don't think.
So how was that?
Like death.
It's exactly the kind of result that discourages people from riding ordinary bikes. But will a little power assistance change everything? This time, Leon's on a Cannondale Cytronex electric bike. With a press of the boost button, he turns on a hidden motor and tackles the hill again. The battery on this bike can last for about 20 miles before it needs recharging.
When I raced him with the power on, I tried sneaking up on him. He looked round and give it some, so he still did me, but I'm running closer with the electric, and I was pretty impressed with that particular bike.
With the added help of the electric battery, Leon was able to flatten the hill.
It's definitely a good piece of kit for aiding you in cycling uphill, without a doubt. I've already submitted my letter to Santa Claus.